Hey guys, welcome back to Jamaican Chef Black.
Yo, fire wind. They up on the Cumberland side. So boy, Henry back with another video, and that's what I say. Another day, another dollar. We out here, isn't it? And also today I like Saturday. How they on the work, isn't it? So it's basically upon them who use at the time. Cause I don't know about cooking with us, so I only cook the paper. So we there now, it's like we there early, isn't it? Nobody not really do there. They are sat there. Mostly done to order we are doing things, isn't it? So we just in the kitchen and we just all that man. See me? They are going to wait for prep start up today. We are doing on the menu today. Some curry tripe. Yeah, some curry tripe. Isn't it? I do some curry tripe as I can see. The natty one cool me, see me, so just rock the cap. Peary on the outside.
Yeah man, as would I say, another day, another dollar. You see me? Shout out to all who join the Soul 5 family. I want to join the Soul 5 family. Join the Soul 5 family. We out here.
As I can see, we have a fryer. I don't know if you know what fryer thing set up. See me? It's like fryer.
Yeah man, I don't know so this is the fryer. You see me? I don't know if you know what the fryer thing set up. I'm going to show the inside of the fryer. You see me? So, yeah, basically, that's what the fryer set up. Fryer basically anything in the fryer, isn't it? And we have 3 fryers in the kitchen. So, yeah man, I don't know we have on our fried chicken and now I want to fry the fish now.
Brown soup fish we fry it in it. I know we don't use flour with that. So this one we are using now. That one we are using now. This is be the one for the fish. And then this is also my baby. Yeah man, this is my own. Anything I'm gonna deal with that whole thing, isn't it? I want to be there today again. Be there again, clean and thing. 5 tray of chicken. 5 tray can hold on that. 5 down at the bottom. See me? We have a timer. And see the timer. See me temperature. And then the light in the right. So turn on the light and things here. Turn it on. Turn it on. I eat that. It's like temperature. You know. The light already on, so eat that. Then around this gonna be my 2 table here. 1, 2. This gonna be the next chef table. And that table over here so would be my table. As I can see they're near to your so like some more that is. Yeah man, as I said, another day, another dollar. This is the kitchen. This is where the whole heap of the magic. This is where the magic happens. Over there, we're out here. This is the magic. Big kitchen and thing, you see me? So, there. So we are show you for 2 work set place, you see me? Alright, I want to start with all of my work take place. When I say all of my work take place, my prepare. My little home away from home, you see me alone in here and thing and all I need prep. Sink this, you see me? All I need prep and thing, 2 sinks. Need to out. You can see the chopper. Heavy, you know, and chopper is heavy. You see me? Good night, right?
Right now, we have a warmer right here, so this is weird, alright. So we prep for food. I don't know why I keep the food warm, because people don't like cold food. So, we have the food, I place the food right in there, so. You know, they pan them, put steam, turn on the warmer. So this is a how commercial warmers look. You can see temperature, gauging and thing. Yeah. When you cook a food, because you don't know how cook in a bulk, we have to keep it warm. Because all our food can hold out on the buffet line at the same time. So this right now is our buffet line. Just pour the water and then we'll put back the pan in it to keep the food warm when the food up on the line. So basically you have a buffet line and you have serve your food. People actually can see what they might get when they come on the line. So you garnish your food and you put it in that. So that's why my food them always in a pan because a bowl cooking I do.
Or the runners, and next year, we are sure the kitchen big, you know. She work now big, so we are sure that part, you know, this is the ice machine, isn't it?
Yeah man folks, this is the ice machine. Party ice. You know that. So people are going on juice and I'm on them juice cool so we have ice and then you have a part on the buffet line where we don't where you know really keep warm. You just there to put your cold plate and thing. Fruits, vegetable. I have people who eat wellness food, so we have to cater for them. So the ice that does and then you have so right now we're up on the stove. So I stove we work with. Yeah. Yes. We got 3 stoves under the kitchen. As you can see, we have a one pot pan there. We fry some festival. I sat there. Don't do all that, so we just fry some festival.
We are do it, isn't it? So, well, nah, video night actually. So, that's the end of the video, isn't it? So, we just show you the equipment and things that we use at the time. Or, we got one thing to show on, isn't it? So, I show you that one thing and then I eat that, isn't it?
Yeah, man, we have 2 walk-in fridge. We have the freezer and we have the cooler. So right now we in a cooler. As you can see, we are showing the fruits them. We find the fruit section. Ginger and thing. Banana. You know we Jamaican love for banana, so we have to have a whole heap of banana. Don't know we're going with it. Going American apple and thing. Fruit plate. Use all of them fruit for the fruit plate. So that again we come back with the ice. Keep them cool. Right now they are grown provision. Yam, Irish and you know what thing? Tomato. Rich tomato. Tomato. We love tomato, you see me? Video can't complete without the carrot. Yeah, as we just said before, you don't know we say I done to order today, so right now we have a girl, Aji. Do some festival. So anyways, anyone who want to make the festival, you can just link me and we'll just make my girl Aji. She won't know how to do it. Go on a clip in her she do the Jamaican festival. See me, so she a roll them out now and then after